release schedule for 2025 that includes the Air Jordan 3, Air Jordan 5, and 2 Air Jordan 6 colorways. A Ma Maniére maintains the momentum. The A Ma Maniére X Air Jordan 4 Dark Mocha for the holidays is the third iteration of Mike's fourth signature sneaker. A combination of Dark Mocha, Bronze Eclipse, Black, and Violet ore will be used in the Air Jordan 4 Dark Mocha, according to Sneaker Market Row. The precise color blocking and material selections are still unknown, though. Fans should anticipate high-end fabrics, understated branding, and elegant detailing that mimic the quilted interiors and opulent finishes found in previous A Ma Maniére X Air Jordan collaborations, if previous releases are any guide. According to speculative mock-ups, the final retail version may alter from the design that is based on the brand's previous Air Jordan 4s.